Hello friends, the eagle is a large bird of prey known for its keen sight and powerful soaring flight. Be like an eagle and you are sure to succeed. Some experts advise not to be a parrot because it speaks a lot but cannot fly high. The eagle screams or speaks very little but flies very high. The eagle is the king of all birds. Let us discuss 5 useful life lessons every person should learn from the eagle. There is a lot of wisdom and learning in these 5 lessons. The eagle always flies alone. It will never fly with a sparrow or a small bird. If necessary, the eagle flies with another eagle or else it flies alone. Lesson 1. Be away from small-minded, mean-spirited people and stay alone if needed. At least, being alone gives you the golden opportunity to know your strengths and weaknesses. The eagle's vision is very clear and very strong. It can see its prey from 4 to 5 kilometers away. Once the eagle sees his prey, no matter how difficult it may be, it takes rest only after killing its prey. So, what is lesson 2? Keep your vision clear and achieve your goal, however difficult it is. The eagle never eats dead creatures. It always hunts animals alive. We can deduce that it is meaningless to pay any attention to the past dead, rotten thoughts. And it is meaningful to focus on your fresh life to come. Some of your old memories may hurt you. Don't give unwanted thoughts a place in your present. No matter how worst might have happened to you in your past, all those memories are dead ones, aren't they? Therefore, lesson 3 is, just as an eagle never eats dead things, never think of your past, negative, bitter experiences and focus on your future, which is fresh. When it rains, all birds hide, but the eagle enjoys it a lot. When the strong wind blows, the eagle flies very high with the help of those turbulent winds. And while flying high, it even reaches above the clouds. Be like an eagle and recognize your golden opportunity. And the day you recognize your opportunities, all the difficulties will be under you and you will be high above those difficulties. Lesson 4. Like the eagle, create opportunities even in difficulties. The eagle always removes soft grass from its nest so that the eaglet or the baby eagle cannot be comfortable in it. The reason is, if the eaglet becomes comfortable in the nest, it will prefer to stay there. But the eagle never lets this happen. Although the eagle is a bird, it knows that there is no growth in the comfort zone. But we are human beings, reasoned creatures, and despite being human beings, many people do not understand this aspect of life. The more you are in a comfort zone, the more you lead an uncomfortable life. So, what is lesson 5? You will not succeed as long as you are in your comfort zone. So, keep yourself away from your comfort zones and take risks. Remember, the biggest risk in life is not taking any risk at all. Friends, be like an eagle and you are sure to succeed. Like this video, share it, and don't forget to write your comments on this video. See you soon. Thank you.